In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a new staff account in PetSitter Plus. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To add a new staff account, first navigate to the Admin tab in your dashboard. Then select Staff from the submenu. To add a new staff account, click New. Enter the first name, last name, and email address they will be using to log into your software. And then click Create Staff. You have now created a new staff account. One of the first fields to complete on all new staff accounts is the Schedule Ref. This important field is displayed in the admin and staff schedules to identify which staff member has been assigned the service. Enter the staff's first name, nickname, or alias, and don't forget to click Update. Now fill in the rest of your staff member's basic details, such as phone number, home address, and personal email. There are other pages as well, such as emergency contacts, services provided, and employment details. One of the key benefits of PetSitter Plus is its complete customizability using custom fields. We will cover this in more detail in another video, or you can read the help article linked in the comments below. Custom fields allow you to add or edit any fields within your database, ensuring you obtain the necessary questions from your staff. For example, you may want to add specific training courses your staff have attended and be able to upload a copy of their qualification or certificate of attendance. Create fields to document regular performance reviews, or create a workplace incident or accident reporting page. Next, decide which permissions or level of access the staff member should have in PetSitter Plus. Staff permissions are a powerful tool that allow you to set varying levels of access for each of your staff members depending on their job role. As an example, for new staff members, you may want to restrict access to all features of the software and only allow them to view their own schedule. For your senior admin staff, you may want to give increased access to perform tasks such as invoicing or business reporting. For this member of staff who is a junior admin, let's switch on client scheduling functions, as you would like them to be able to add services, run repeat services, and process service requests from within a client account. Now you have set the individual permissions for the staff account, invite your new staff member to log in to their PetSitter Plus dashboard. Select Email from the submenu. From the drop-down menu under Email Template, select Staff Welcome Instructions to access PetSitter Plus. Enter a subject line, such as Welcome to your PetSitter Plus dashboard, and click Send Email. Your staff member will receive an email with their login details and a link so they can start using the system right away. If you need to edit or update any staff information, you can always return to the staff account and make the necessary changes. And that's it. Your new staff member has been added to PetSitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.